In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple monthly budget in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clear, easy-to-maintain budget you can update throughout the month to see exactly how your spending compares to your plan. Start by opening a new Google Sheets document. This gives you a blank canvas to build your budget. In the very first row, create your headers so everything stays organized. Type category. In the first column, planned amount in the next, then actual amount, and finally, difference. These labels help you distinguish what you intended to spend, what you actually spent, and the gap between the two. If you'd like, you can make the header text bold or use a light fill color so it stands out, but that part is optional. Under the category column, list the areas where you spend money. Common examples include rent, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. But tailor this to your life. Add one category per row and feel free to include things like transportation, debt payments, subscriptions, or savings. The goal is to be specific enough that your spending is easy to track without creating categories you'll never use. Next, move to the planned amount column and enter what you aim to spend for each category this month. Think of this as your target. You can base these numbers on past months, bills you already know, or your financial goals for the month. Keeping the amounts realistic will make the budget more useful. If it helps you read the sheet at a glance, you can format these cells as currency, but that's optional. As the month progresses, update the actual amount column with your real expenses. Each time you spend money in a category, add it to that category's actual amount, so it becomes a running total. Some people update this daily, others do it weekly. The key is consistency, so your budget stays accurate. Now, let's calculate the difference. In the first difference cell, type a formula that subtracts the actual amount from the planned amount. For example, if your planned amount is in column B and your actual amount is in column C, enter equal B2C2 in the difference cell on that same row. A positive result means you're under budget. A negative result means you've exceeded your plan. Copy that formula down alongside your categories so every row calculates automatically. That's it. With this setup, you'll clearly see how your spending compares to your plan and can make informed choices throughout the month.